Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you two spring looks that are inspired by what we saw this year at New York Fashion Week. Both looks are going to be including super easy accessories to add to your hair to just elevate it and make it a little bit more fun. The first one is going to be more of a day look and the second one a little bit more evening inspired. And to be doing that today I'm going to be using T3 tools. And as you guys know, I am a T3 ambassador. I'm absolutely crazy about these hot tools. You guys have heard me talk about them. And as an ambassador for T3, every time that I do a tutorial or I show their products, I'm able to do a giveaway for you guys. So every time you guys see me using one of their tools, you guys are eligible to win one of your own. So stay tuned to the end of the video on instructions on how to enter. Super easy, and I've even met one of you guys that's already won one of these giveaways. So they're amazing, and best of luck to everyone, and hope you guys enjoy these looks. Alright, so I'm starting off with a second day hair. My hair is obviously dry, and I use the Curalux blow dryer to blow out my hair and to give it volume. And as you can see, even though it is second day hair, the volume is still there, as opposed to I love that this blow dryer is gentle on my hair. It gives me incredible volume, gives me shine throughout the hair, and it gives me a long-lasting style. I actually do want to share this story, and my client came and did her hair with me about 2 weeks ago, and I've been doing her hair for maybe like over 2 years, and she's just always had a lot of breakage towards her ends. And this last time that I saw her, I was like, oh my gosh, your hair looks amazing. She was like, really? Like, I haven't changed anything. I'm using the same shampoo. So I highlighted her and like toned her and the whole thing. I gave her a haircut, and I'm like doing this blowout, and I was like, holy crap, like your hair really does look amazing. Are you sure you're not taking vitamins or something? And she was like, no, I've not changed anything. And then we were like almost done with the blowout, and she's like, oh my god, I got a new blow dryer. Could that be it? And I'm like, yeah, your hair, like her hair like transformed to like a 75% like positive difference. So not only does it give you beautiful style, but it also helps keep your hair as healthy as possible. All right, so I'm gonna be starting off by curling my hair. And the one thing that I'm going to do a little bit differently for this is I'm going to go in smaller sections. Gives it a little bit more of a PC look, which is a look I'm going for today. And for the waves, I'm going to be using T3's convertible trio. And it's convertible for the convenience of being able to attach a different size barrel to it. So basically with one tool, you're able to achieve many looks. So I'm going to start curling the hair and grabbing smaller sections starting around the face. And I'm going to be curling away. So now doing the same thing to the other side. All right, so now I'm just going to fluff those out. So the next step, I'm going to grab a cross sections up at the crown, and I'm just going to tease that a little bit just to give it a little bit of extra volume at the root. All right, so we're just going to grab sort of that top section there and just pin it with a bobby pin. I'm just going to grab a small section from each side and bring it to meet where that bobby pin is. So then to just add some color, I'm going to add a silk scarf and just tie it around that section of hair. Or you can tie it on top of your head by crossing it under your hair, bringing it up and tying it at the top look like a headband. And for the second look, it was also seen a lot at this year's Fashion Week, and that is the overuse of bobby pins, almost as an accessory and not necessarily as like to hold hair up. And so for that, I'm gonna start with a more exaggerated part. And we're already going to start slicking that side down. All right, so and now comes the part for the bobby pins. And I'm gonna be using gold. You can use rose gold, you can use more of a silver tone, whatever looks best like with your skin tone or the jewelry that you normally wear is the color that I would probably go with. So I'm actually going to start low and work my way up. You can place them in a triangle to kind of add some art to the side of your hair. I really just want to add a ton of bobby pins as almost to just say this like statement of there's metal in my hair. And then you can use a little bit of hairspray or a little bit of pomade in the hair just to keep that really nice and sleek. And it's kind of that juxtaposition of the super sleek metal kind of hardware on one side next to this more voluminous and kind of flowy side. I think this is such an easy look, and literally with such an easy accessory, you can get a look that's definitely a little bit more edgy, perfect for festival season. All right guys, so that is the final look. I hope you found these two spring looks inspiring and hopefully you try one of these out. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting your very own free T3 tools, don't forget to check out the giveaway. I've gone ahead and left the link in the description box down below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.